Hello everyone. Okay, just another updates on our daily FCPO charts here. So as you can see for today FCPO, we have up bars, but this is on very narrow bars. Okay, this is still in the morning sections now around 12 p.m. Malaysian time. So we do see there's one up bar followed by after this is a continuations, okay, on the downtrends. Okay, so overall chart is still pretty bearish. Okay, you can see on the whole background here is still in stage 4. Okay, no doubt this is like a pullback on downtrend. Okay, we can, so that's why you can see today we have a small narrow up bars here. But by looking at 30 minutes, I think that we still can spot some opportunity to short. Yesterday I do a quick updates also how you're gonna short on this market after this failed line change over here. So this is the line change. Yesterday we I shared about it, line change, and then if you see the subscription bar close below, okay, then you can short this market. Okay, so make sure you always take profits at the supports, exit on the resistance. Okay, so this currently I do think that if give another chance for us to short with very low risk. Okay, so again, I always like to look at my background whether what is the market stages here. As I mentioned on previous video, also our left hand side definitely we have strengths. Okay, definitely we have strengths over here, and then followed by we see weakness. Okay, or weakness over here, uptrust. Okay, by using this 30-minute chart. Okay, so we see confirmation again, uptrust followed by sell off. We got true sell off with huge volume. Okay, probably I look at 15 minutes. Okay, this is much more clearer. Okay, much more clearer. So using 15 minutes, I do see two hidden potential selling, which means money is selling it with a confirmation of this sell off bar with high volume, right? So here we do have some redistribution. This is a very classic chart. Okay, classic pattern in VSA. You can see we have first distributions. Okay, this is the first redistribution followed by another redistribution over this area. Okay, and now this is the third redistribution area. Okay, let me zoom in. So this is the first one. First redistributions over here, and here is the second redistributions, and now probably right in the third, okay, redistributions area. So what I do like about the current chart pattern is that whenever I manage to draw my market stages, okay, by identifying the correct stages now, I will able to identify where is the hidden potential selling and buying by the smart money. So as you can see from here, on the third redistribution, we have some sort of weakness coming in, right? This is the uptrust. We spotted it using our volume spread analysis techniques. Okay, on 15 minutes now, we confirm with another down bar. So which means that this is the area that a lot of selling is happening. So, professional money is selling it. That's why you can see uptrust break through this support here with huge volume. So this is the area that they will sell. So for me, currently offering very low risk trades. Okay, just place your stop loss above this uptrust, and then some target profit on the support. Okay, so no doubts, very low risk. I'm still trading with my trend now on the markdown stage, where there's some sort of evidence of smart money is still selling on FCPO. Okay, so this is just a quick updates how we spot the potential trade on daily basis. Okay, using volume spread analysis method on 15 minutes, 30-minute charts. Okay, thank you.